Hey, this is Ian from Slickplan. I'd like to tell you about two new features we've added to the export function in Slickplan Sitemap Builder. The first addition is called Fit to Page. It allows you to export sitemaps to specific sizes like letter or tabloid, and the sitemap auto-adjusts to fit without breaking into multiple pages. Start by checking Fit to Page option. Select additional options below, click Export, and Slickplan will automatically resize your sitemap to fit. You can see the project I exported now on one clean page that's easy to share. The second feature is called Auto Size. It chooses the best size layout for your export and then arranges all of the elements in a visually appealing way. From the drop-down menu, click Auto Size, select other additional options you'd like, click Export, and Slickplan will do the rest. These two new features make it easier than ever to export your sitemap and share with others. So if you're looking for a great way to create a beautiful and professional looking sitemap, be sure to check out Slickplan's Sitemap Builder tool.